status bar in AutoCAD. If you take your cursor, move it down here, these are the status bar. The first option we have here is display drawing grid. As you can see, the drawing grid is currently off. If you want to turn it on, you just need to click on this. The drawing grid is currently on. Normally we don't turn on the drawing grid, but if you want to turn it on, then you just come over here, click on this, then it's going to turn the drawing grid on. So I'm going to turn this off. Then we have a snap mode. If you want to on the snap mode, you just click on this. Then there are different options you can choose. If you click on this drop down icon, we have the polar snap, and also we have the grid snap. It is currently set on grid snap. Once we start working on this status bar, you are going to understand this better. This is just a brief introduction. Then the next option we have here is the auto mode. As you can see, the auto mode is currently on. In the previous video, we used the auto mode. The auto mode is used when you are drawing a line and you want that line to always be in 90 degree, like you want the line to be straight. You turn on the auto mode. We have a polar tracking. Usually we don't turn this on, but once we start working on status bar, you are going to understand this better. So turn this off. Then we have isometric drafting. Usually we don't turn this on. Then we have a show snapping reference line. Usually we don't turn this on, so turn this off. Then also we have an object and snap. If you click on this drop down icon, there are different object and snap you can choose from. So as you can see, we have the endpoint, midpoint, center, geometric center, node, etc. Then we have LW display. We don't use this that often, so you can just forget about that. Then we have these other options. Then this is the workspace switching. We already discussed this. This is annotation monitor. You can turn it on or turn it off. If you click on this customization bar, whatever objects not displayed on the status bar, they are going to be displayed on the customization icon. Click on this. So as you can see, we have a different object in the status bar. So for example, we don't have dynamic input over here. If you want the dynamic input to be displayed, you click on dynamic input. So now we have this is the dynamic input. If you don't want this to be displayed on the status bar, you deselect this. We no longer have the dynamic input.